Fixed Steam not opening on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on device and search for Steam application. As you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Steam application. So we're gonna go back and then make a long press on the Steam application over here. Now tap on app info, and as you tap on app info, it will lead you to a new page where you will be able to see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it, and here you can see delete all data option. So if it's convenient for you, you can delete all data, but if not, then you can only clear cache. I'm going to delete all data and then tap on app permissions and make sure that you toggle on all the required options over here. So go to each option and give that access to every option. So this will help you use the app without any hindrances. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.